Welcome to the pay-per-click advertising training video. This video will walk you through the creation of your first pay-per-click advertising campaign with tyBit. tyBit, a unified search engine, provides many ways for its advertisers to create their PPC ads. This video will walk you through each action step by step. Let's get started. The first step of the advertising process is getting started. You can do this by going to www.tybit.com and clicking on the advertiser link located next to the little green button. This will take you to the www.tybit.com/advertisers.php, or you can type www.tybit.com/advertisers.php directly into your internet browser. Either of these options will take you to the page you see here. From here, you will click on the Start Now button seen at the top of the page. You should now see this page in your internet browser. This is the first step in creating your advertising campaign. The first thing you'll have to decide is whether to keep the click fraud protection on or off. When you have this selection on, someone that clicks on your advertisement in tyBit will have to enter a short CAPTCHA code to verify that there is an actual person clicking on your advertisement. This prevents automated bots from clicking on your ad artificially. Although this option will guarantee that the person actually wants to click through on your advertisement, it may cause some people to hit the back button instead of continuing to your website. We will leave it set in the default off position. The next step for you is to decide what you want to name your campaign. For example, if you own a clothing department store, you may want to design different campaigns for the different departments of your store, like women's clothing or men's clothing. You may also want to separate your campaigns by holidays, such as back to school or Christmas. However you decide to manage your campaigns, you will generally want to have a general campaign that runs when your special campaigns aren't. For this example, we will call the campaign General Advertisement. This will be the general advertisement that our sample clothing store will run throughout the year when it isn't running specialized campaigns. The next box is for you to name a specific ad group. This is so you can divide your advertisements up in case you wish to run certain groups at different times. An example of this, keeping with our clothing store example, would be men's outerwear or women's shoes, since an advertisement that you create for one would be different than the one you create for the other. For this example, we will leave women's shoes as the ad group name. Next, we will determine what market we want our advertisement to run in. We can select a global campaign, or we can select a specific set of countries like just the US and Canada. If we'd like to be more specific with where our advertisement is shown, we can click on the specific button and narrow down the area your advertisement will show by country. Or, in the United States, you can choose a state where you want your ads to show. You can even limit your advertisements to show in a 5-mile or 10-mile radius of a particular zip code. For this example, we will limit our advertising to the United States and Canada. The last choice you will need to make on this page will be to set your default time zone. We will leave it at Eastern Time Zone for this example. Once you have completed all of these steps, you will want to review your choices and then click the Continue button.